What's up, YouTube? Make money online. Here's my replacement motor here. Low mileage, good condition. I'll soon be completing the motor in the car, getting it out. It's not much I have to do left. But yeah, here's my motor here that I'm replacing my old motor with here. Okay. So we have the car here. There we go. Car here. It's not much I need to do. Only thing, uh, finish pulling the drive shaft, then I can start hoisting this bad boy up, bracing everything, and get this thing out of here. It's raining out here now, but once it drops, I'll finish breaking this down. And what I'll do is I'll take some videos of where I'm at so far with the process of pulling that motor out, and show you what I've done so far, and try to help if anyone is pulling a 2001 Audi A6 2.7T Quattro motor. Any questions? I'll answer them. Leave in the comments. Thank you.